Hello, everybody. I am a noodle. No, burrito. I think this is a burrito. uh, I haven't recorded anything but vlogging today because I have basically been doing nothing. Um, but I do have notes here from the game that I ran today. Continued from the session from last week. Amazing time. So, let's see here. What happened this time? Well, first of all, first event of the day is how Lysel and Archer, the Asmar and the Hobgoblin, the Paladin and Barbarian, respectively, sparred in the back of the Platinum Wing. I will soon. Enjoying some time together. Next up, they headed out to get some supplies, heading to the market district. I do not have my notes here. The market district. I'm gonna probably put in the notes stuff. I'm gonna write this down also later. Where they harassed the store owner of the bowl store, the general store, Archer complaining that there was no generals. Iwa bought herself a lockpick, a thieves' tool, for 26 gold. And there was stolen a small potion of healing by a sneaky warlock. Moving onwards from there, after hearing of a blacksmith who made these tools, as well as a potion maker, they made their way to the Shield District, where they met the Lawmaster, as well as took two tasks, one for helping the Wild Rabbit brothel, and one for watching a night watch of the cemetery, where Archer again, this time, flirted with the Lawmaster. Moonforce, they made their way to the Wild Rabbit, the establishment where Talia, a heavy-set human woman, owns the brothel, running it. In here, first of all, Hiwa snatched a peacock-styled Aarakocra, who she then sent to get laid with Lasberg, their cleric. This Aarakocra Dav had a good time with Lasberg after getting threatened that if he hurt Lasberg, Archer might break his bones. Talking with the store owner, Archer was able to get that within 2 days he'd be able to get a record of all the people who had been snatched away. Also, some money was cheated into possession of the crew by Tikiri, Hiwa, and Hallie. By a neat combination of sleight of hand and awakened mind, they stole 30 gold from a drunkard. And that's about it. It's now evening, and they're heading towards the cemetery. We'll see what happens. Good night, everyone.